ये तो पैदल गाड़ी चल रही है यहाँ पे।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू ट्रैवल एंड लाइफ विद रोज़। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ इन वन डे व्हाट ऑल यू कैन कवर इन आगरा। सबसे पहले लेट्स सी हाउ टू रीच आगरा। आगरा जाने के लिए नंबर 1 यू कैन हायर अ कार और अ टैक्सी। नंबर 2 आप खुद से ड्राइव कर सकते, यू कैन ड्राइव योर ओन कार फ्रॉम 3 you can take train or buses if you are living close to Agra. When we went to Agra, we drove for 10 hours from Bhopal to Agra, and
Really adventure.
small stops for snacks, breakfast, and lunch. By the time it was dinner time, we reached Agra.
Taj
and,
Royal
we
लिखा
checked
हुआ
into our hotel. So next day we could go for our Agra exploration. So next we are discussing about where to stay in Agra. मैं ये recommend करती हूँ कि अगर आप आगरा में आ रहे हैं तो आप एक दिन पहले आएँ और आप सेटल हो जाएं. You stay in your hotel, find a good place to stay and settle in your hotel and take a proper rest, and next day आप आगरा explore करने के लिए जाएं. So in our case, we were staying in Courtyard by Marriott. It was close to Taj Mahal, and there are even more luxury properties around which are close to Taj Mahal. So you can choose that, because the first thing you will do in the morning is to go to explore ताज महल. और अगर आपको किसी लग्जरी प्रॉपर्टी में नहीं जाना, आपको पैसे बचाने हैं, आप नहीं बचाने मगर आपको नहीं जाना लग्जरी प्रॉपर्टी में, आपको किसी छोटे होटल्स में जाना है, तो यू सर्च फॉर स्मॉल होटल्स नियर आगरा, नियर ताज महल आगरा. एंड देर आर इवन गुड Airbnbs which are close to Taj Mahal Agra. And I think if you are a big group of friends or something, so you can save money over there. You can take one apartment and stay over there, and that's how आपके पैसे जो हैं वो बहुत सस्ते में पड़ेगा आपको, आपके पैसे जो हैं वो बढ़ जाएंगे, है ना. नेक्स्ट वी आर डिस्कसिंग इज़ हाउ टू गेट अराउंड आगरा. सो आगरा में आप कैसे घूमें, क्या क्या चीज़ अवेलेबल है. वेल, पर्सनली आई विल चूज़ उबर टैक्सी, और या फिर आप प्राइवेट टैक्सी भी ले सकते हैं. देयर आर ऑल्सो टैक्सीज वेयर the taxi driver will run behind you to become your tourist guide, and they will take you around, and they will be your tourist guide also, but they will book it for some amount, maybe 1,000 or 2,000, or depend how many people you are. So you can, I think, negotiate as well. बट इंडिविजुअली आप डेस्टिनेशन बाय डेस्टिनेशन एक कार में ट्रैवल करते हैं. यहाँ से वहाँ गए, वहाँ एक्सप्लोर किया, ताजमहल एक्सप्लोर किया, फिर ताजमहल से दूसरी जगह गए, वो एरिया एक्सप्लोर किया. सो दैट विल बी नॉट टू मच, आई थिंक. बट हाँ, एक चीज़ मैं आपको ये बताना चाहती हूँ, इस प्रोसेस में आपको पैसे तो बच जाएंगे लेकिन कन्वीनियंस नहीं है. So there is no convenience, because you have to wait for, finding a taxi, or sometimes we were new, so you don't know which gate. The taxi driver is asking, I'm in this gate, that gate. So that will also becomes very, chaotic. Oh my God, because from one gate to the other gate, it's very huge distance. You cannot walk that fast. You cannot tell the taxi to stop, or a taxi will have to go round and come where you are. So वो थोड़ा chaotic हो जाता है कि आप क्या करें. So ये सारी चीज़ें ध्यान में रखें. अगर आप किसी प्राइवेट टैक्सी को ऑलरेडी हायर कर रहे हैं तो शायद वो कन्वीनियंट होगा, आपका ख़त्म हो गया एक्सप्लोर करके एंड देन यू क्विकली गो टू दैट टैक्सी and go to your next destination. So I think that will be more convenient, especially if you have kids. You cannot run, you cannot walk around quickly. You have kids. हमारे साथ हमारे पेरेंट्स भी थे, तो थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लमेटिक हो जाता है. अदरवाइज यू कैन टेक टैक्सी, रिक्शाज. थोड़ी दूर टैक्सी से चले गए, सॉरी, यू कैन टेक ई रिक्शाज. थोड़ी दूर ई रिक्शा से चले गए एंड देन hire something else, or e-rickshaw can also take you from one place to the another, but their charging setup is different. The next thing we are discussing is what to do in Agra, the main part of the video for which you are actually here. If you are in Agra only for one day, then it is better for you to explore the key attractions first. So I would recommend you go to the Taj Mahal first in the morning. I mean, go before 8 to 9 o'clock, so you can avoid the crowd, and have the Taj Mahal all for yourself. बहुत थोड़ा खाली सा होगा. आप ताज महल के साथ अपनी खुद की पिक्चर्स बहुत अच्छे से ले सकेंगे, सुकून में ले सकेंगे. वुड ऑल्सो सजेस्ट यू टू बाई योर ताज महल टिकट्स इन एडवांस, and don't take your selfie stick before you go inside the Taj Mahal. The security does not let you take the selfie sticks, so you cannot take it. Cameras are okay, phones are okay, but selfie sticks are not. दूसरा एक और चीज़ आप ध्यान रखिए, ताजमहल जाने के लिए आप जाने के पहले ही आपको शॉप्स में शू कवर्स मिलते हैं. सो प्लीज़ बाय दोज, बिकॉज मैंने नहीं ख़रीदा था. वॉक बेयरफुट ऑल ओवर inside Taj Mahal. You cannot wear the shoe once you are inside the Taj Mahal. Even you are roaming outside in that elevated terrace area where the Taj Mahal is built. Taj Mahal घूमने के लिए आपको at least it will take 2 to 3 hours to explore the area properly. Pictures, the highlights of the place is the mausoleum, and where you have Shah Jahan and Mumtaz Mahal's tomb. So you better go and see those things inside में जो है. You cannot take your mobile, you cannot click pictures. I mean, you can take your mobile, but do not click pictures. I saw some people doing it, but so this is what it is. It's very beautiful inside, by the way. And then even in outside, stay there for some time, sit down, enjoy the Yamuna river behind the Taj Mahal, and the view is very beautiful. So कुछ वहाँ उस जगह की फील लीजिए, वो बहुत ही अच्छा है. मेहमान खाना एक साइड में है और मॉस्क एक साइड में है ताजमहल के, और ये बहुत खूबसूरत दिखाई देते हैं. तो यू शुड सी ऑल दोज. एंड जो जब आप एंटर करते हैं, सो जो ग्रेट गेट है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. इट लुक्स वेरी नाइस इन दोज रेड सैंडस्टोन. सो यू शुड डेफिनेटली चेक दोज आउट. द गार्डन्स ऑल्सो हैव monkeys, so be careful. Though if you have anything in your hand, food, water, they were not very aggressive, but still just be careful. Next thing after Taj Mahal, go to Agra Fort. Now Agra Fort is also very big, so it will take around 1.5 hours to 2 hours to explore the Agra Fort. And what are the highlights of this fort is Diwan-e-Aam, which was hall of public audience, and the other highlights are Diwan-e-Khas, hall of private audience, and Jahangir's palace, and Musamman Burj, where Shah Jahan was imprisoned, from where he could actually see the Taj Mahal from his prison. After Taj Mahal and Agra Fort, we were very tired. We wanted to sleep, lie down. I mean, it was straight 5-6 hours of walk. We went back and we took some rest, and we rested the whole evening until the dinner dinner until we sleep. But for you, if you are still up for some more walking and more exploring, because you are here only for one day, so I would suggest you go to Sadar Bazaar. And because by the time you will explore Taj Mahal and Agra Fort will be lunchtime, so you can go to Sadar Bazaar and check out the colors of Agra, buy some souvenirs, marble items, and some handicrafts from Agra, and also to enjoy local Agra food and sweets. You can buy some famous sweets like petha and dal mot. So you can find all of these things in this bazaar, and you will enjoy it. To finish off your day, I think you can, if you are still up to after your lunch in local lunch in Sadar Bazaar, if you are still up for some more monument exploration, then you can go to Baby Taj, which is called Etimad Ud Daula, and you can check out that monument, or you can get a taxi, go to 10 kilometers away from Agra to Sikandra, and check out Akbar's tomb. So that's what you can do. Or else, if you don't want to do monument exploration, then you can go for a relaxed sunset time in Mehtab Bagh, where you can have a nice view of the Taj Mahal, and you can walk around, take some rest in Mehtab Bagh. So that's what you can do. And later on for dinner, if you don't want to do anything local, because you did the local lunch probably at Sadar Bazaar, so you can go for a nice a restaurant something, or even have food at your Airbnb or hotel, and rest for the evening. And yeah, that's what we did. We rested, and then next day we drove back to Bhopal. So this is it, guys. If you like the videos, if you like the information I gave you today, then please subscribe to my channel and give me some thumbs up. This will keep me going. And also for more videos, you can go to the playlist and the more detailed blogs on my website. The website is in the description, so that's what you can do. Thank you so much for watching.